Craig here. In this episode of Simple CNC Projects, we're going to make a pair of aluminum dice, right? Okay, well I made a mistake on the first one that I ran. I didn't set the zeros. I was setting the zeros on the bottom of the dice instead of the top. So it was trying to drill straight through the dice. But I ran the second one and it looks like it came out pretty good. Obviously you can see some tool marks in there, but it's actually very smooth. If it was anodized, it would actually look perfect. So, alright, let me see how precise this thing is. Ooh, not even a half a thou off. Nice. If you like this video, I'd appreciate the thumbs up. Feel free to leave any comments down below. There should be a subscribe button over here if you'd like to subscribe. And there should be a Patreon button over here if you'd like to support us on Patreon. I will be uploading the CAD files for this on Patreon. Alright,